Hello, here's a nice combination trick. Rolo bolo and 5 silicone balls. It's good to start out with the rolo first, get that under control. And then I like to take care of the bounce juggling first. My technique is a little bit different than most. I have a catching technique with the hand faced down. And you can see as I grab these, I can catch them on their way up. Instead of how most people, it's just like a juggling pattern where the hand is up, facing up the entire time. So it's a little bit of a variation, but this is how I learned to bounce juggle. And as you can see, 5 balls are looking pretty good. The silicone colors looking really nice. And I'll go ahead and collect, and I'll try showing you the 5-ball cascade juggle. And for the 5-ball cascade juggle, it's good just to initiate right into it. I like a low pattern. It keeps it a little tighter and closer to the body and the form. It also has a good symmetrical look compared to the bounce juggling, since they're about the same distance with a lower pattern. And enjoying the juggle, nice and solid. Notice not much movement with the rolo bolo until start to collect, and closing it all down. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the little juggling show. Slow motion has a little more dynamic action to it. Goodbye.